Hi guys, welcome to another video of PySpark tutorial with using Google Colab. In this video, as you have already got an idea from the title, that it's going to be about how to read CSV into PySpark dataframe. So let's learn how can a CSV is read into PySpark. For that, let's begin with some code. We will create a SparkSession. So for that, first of all, I have already installed PySpark on this particular notebook. So if you haven't installed, then you should first go and install that on your notebook. Otherwise, you are good to go with me. So let's begin with creating a SparkSession. I'll name it Spark. So once you have PySpark installed on your Google Colab, you will get the suggestions like this, where you can just click on tab and the whole code will appear by its own. So here I'll go with builder, so I'll just click on tab and it will automatically written in my code. So this will what this will do is this will saves most of our time while typing the code. So now I'm creating a master. See, the master is appearing here, so I'm clicking tab just to make it fast, and I'm naming it to local. Here you can have any other name of your choice, so I'm just keeping it as local. Now I'm creating an app. So app name, I'm giving the app name as my channel name. So data Vedant. You can give again. You can set it to any other name of your choice. And lastly, we'll type get or create. So here we have created a SparkSession. I'm not running this right now, but we'll type everything in place, and after that I'll run the code all at once. Okay, so DF, basically this is a short form for data frame. So I'm creating a data frame, this SparkSession for reading a CSV. Okay, so need to specify that the file we are reading is CSV. Basically you get multiple options here to read different files. You can read a CSV, you can have a JSON file, you can have a Parquet file. So these are the different files that can have data sets in it. So here we will read a CSV, and here in bracket and double quotes you need to provide the path for the CSV. So one thing you need to consider here is you cannot put any path here from your local machine, as we are running this whole Google Colab in web browser, so you cannot have something from your local machine. We will just click these three dots here. So this is a table of contents. We will click this and we will go to the file section. So under file section, this is the sample data, where you can have multiple data sets. You can also add one of your own to this session storage. So you can add anything from your local machine, your system, to this sample data. But now I can see there are multiple CSV files. I think they are basically for some machine learning purpose, so we will be using one of these only. So I'll go with the first one and just hit these three dots here. We are getting multiple options to whether download this CSV, rename it, or delete the file, and copy path. So I'll just click on copy path. So I think the path is copied. The path is copied for that particular file, CSV file. Let's minimize it we don't need that any much. Now I'll just display the data frame. Okay, so df.show will display the data frame that we created from CSV. The thing here is it won't display the whole data frame, but will show some part of it, so consider that. Let's just run it from here. Okay, so it didn't take much time. Here you can see it just took like fraction of second, and here is the whole reading of CSV to data frame. It is clearly mentioned that it shows only 20 rows. This must be the first 20 rows, and these are like total number of columns that are like displayed as it is. So there are total of 9 columns in our data frame. Let's just to have some extra information, we'll check what's the schema this particular data frame has. So let's print the schema. Now it will just show only one data at a time, so it won't show this it won't display the data frame in table format, but it will just show the schema. So let's run this command. Oh, it's showing both for us. That is the nice thing. Actually, most of the time when you run these kind of commands in Jupyter Notebook or any other notebook, they show only the results for latest command, but here they have shown for both. So this is the schema. Yeah, we have 9 different columns. All of them are string type only, and they are all nullable, so it can contain null values also. Yeah, so this is how you can read a CSV into PySpark data frame. Hope you enjoy this session, and I'll see you in the next one. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe the channel.